Welcome to Ridoc at Home. My name's Lisa. Join me today for a 60-second art challenge. For today's challenge, you will need an A3 piece of card that you have laminated or clear contacted. You'll need a black Posca, some coloured Poscas, and maybe a rag for wiping down between challenges. Okay, for this challenge, what I'm going to do now is add 3 squiggles to my blank canvas, and I'm going to see what my friend Emma can come up with in 60 seconds. Look at the great piece of artwork that Emma was able to create in our 60-second challenge. So this is a great activity to play at home with the kids, and using a stopwatch you can get them to have a go at some artwork without overthinking it and just have some fun with it. Where the focus is on the timer and the challenge and the blah blah blah. Delete that one.